How to enable Face ID on Binance app. To enable Face ID on Binance app is actually quite simple. Open up Binance and log into your account. Tap on the Binance logo from the top left of the screen. Then tap on your profile name as you'd be able to find here. From the profile name over here, you'll find this option that says security. Just go to security. And right here, you can see the option called Autolock. So currently mine is set to never. Now, if you're using an iPhone, obviously here you'll find Face ID instead of Touch ID. In my case, I have Touch ID because I'm using a Samsung device. But if you have an iPhone, you'll find Face ID instead of Touch ID. And just like that, you can select immediately 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or whenever you want to lock and enable the Face ID on Binance app. So this way you'll be able to enable Face ID on Binance app. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.